Experiencing crashes when making calls on your Samsung Galaxy device can be frustrating. So here are some steps you can take to resolve this issue. The first step in troubleshooting any issue is to restart your device. This can often fix minor software glitches and bugs that could be causing the phone app to crash. Just swipe down from the top of the screen twice to pull down the quick settings panel, and then tap the power icon. When the power options show, tap restart and then confirm it. Wait for the phone to finish rebooting and then try to make some calls to see if the problem is fixed. What you need to do next if the problem persists is to reset the phone app itself. This will bring the app back to its default settings and configuration. To do that, tap and hold the phone app icon until the options menu shows. Tap the app info icon to proceed. On the next screen, tap storage. Then tap clear cache. After that, tap clear data and select delete to reset it. Once the clearing of the cache and data is complete, launch the phone app and then try making a phone call to see if the problem is fixed. In most cases, these two solutions are enough to fix a problem like this. However, if it persists, then you have to back up your files and data and then do the factory reset. It's possible that it's a software problem and a reset will fix it. We hope this troubleshooting guide can help you. Thanks for watching.